Shri Krishna Namo
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
First one again.
You're lucky again.
I know, I'm lucky. I don't try to miss it now.
Good. Oh, Pallavi is not coming today. Can you hear the kirtan in the background?
Yes.
Oh, there was a devotee. He sings so sweet. Generally, many people try to do, but they don't have a voice, so they make it worse. So better to sing straight. Anna? You remember our temple is always straight, simple.
But mostly all the devotees I've heard till today is very nice. I had gone to here in temple in Connecticut, and one lady was doing the kirtan. Oh my god, so good. You don't want her to stop. It's so good. And she was American. She was a white.
Oh, where are others?
They'll be coming.
You can hear the kirtan.
Yes.
So my website also it works. They can
Your
see on the
website?
website.
Yeah. Yeah, I got that message first that you are live now.
Yeah, website is working now, so that I could achieve. I think these people, if you tell 9, they make it 9:10.
Yeah.
They all don't plan this.
Okay, they'll come one by one.
Maybe one more person comes, we will start our kirtan.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Vandana. You can hear the kirtan Vandana on the background. Hare Krishna. You have to wait 5 minutes, Vandana. We'll get some more people to join. Oh, we already have somebody watching us from background. Hare Krishna, Manoj.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Manoj, we
Yes,
can
Prabhuji.
start the kirtan.
Okay. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Nama Om Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatadi Satarini Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatadi Satarini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Jai Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama, Hare
Rama, Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama, Hare
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 Hare.
Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
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 Rama,
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 Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama
Rama,
Hare
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare, Rama
Hare Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
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 Krishna,
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 Hare
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 Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
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 Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare, Hare
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
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 Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
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 Krishna,
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 Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
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 Hare
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 Krishna,
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 Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
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 Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Rama
Hare
Rama, Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Rama Rama,
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna.
Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
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 Krishna,
Krishna.
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Rama,
Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Hari
Hare Rama Hare Rama Rama Rama
Rama Rama
Hare Hare
Hari Hari
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare Rama
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Chalo, Manoj, thanks
Hare
very much.
Krishna.
Manoj sings the same tune he was singing 20 years ago. How many years ago? Not 20. When you were in
Uh,
the college?
Guruji, 10 to 12.
12 years. You saw the devotee singing? We can't even imagine. Oh,
Yes,
Vandana
Guruji.
Mataji, yes, you can also join us next week. Sunday is I will be coming Friday to the college anyway.
Okay, Prabhu.
On Sunday is photo. Battery मिला?
नहीं मेरा बैटरी को मैं चार्ज किया
ठीक है. हाँ, आप सब हरे कृष्ण कर लो. हरे कृष्ण. हरे कृष्ण. सब स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Hare Krishna. Say to Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna.
Prabhu.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Prabhu.
Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Guruji.
Hare Bol, Hare
Krishna.
Bol. Amrit
हाँ,
Mohi
बोला.
Prabhu.
अरे मेरा था. ठीक है. हाँ. सुना है सब. Okay, Hare Krishna. So we are having what Gaur Purnima next week Sunday. Who can come? Vandana can come. Gaurav, Vandana Mataji can come. I'm
Yeah,
also
Prabhu.
planning. I do not know whether it is practical, but I have even printed invitation for afternoon for youngsters. But even evening, if people can attend and go early. Okay. But evening will be the main function. See, the Abhisheka will be over by 6:37, and people can leave. At least main function is in the evening, but afternoon also we do have a plan of a function. Let us see how it goes. Afternoon depends. If the students do collect, we will do in afternoon. The evening function is there. So sometimes
Same place,
some,
sir.
yeah, same place. Presently it is like that. I don't know, something turns up because halls are not available. Even 6 months ago, I don't know, this some marriage. What happens in Mangalore, only 1 or 2 halls are there. Rest are all churches. And in church, we don't like to do our function. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Funny. So, okay. So let us start. Okay. Vikas, other people we were struggling. I told Vikas he can.
Vikas just called me. He would be joining. He has some problems with his app.
Otherwise, he can see the live. Okay. Anybody difficulty? Live is running. Which I just checked. Okay. Now where we were yesterday, where we were there. We have a lot to cover. Yes. We did till here. ठीक है ना? Is it fine?
Yes.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vaya.
Om
Om
Namo
Namo
Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om
Om
Namo
Namo
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om
Om
Namo
Namo
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
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 Okay. Om Jnanatimmirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gaudavani Pacharine Nirvasheshaya Shunyavadi Ashad Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. It is okay, ideal. You're all able to see the text.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so yesterday we discussed certain things. Okay. Where are you? Yes, we were here. The demigods were very glad the Lord was appearing to fulfill his mission, and they addressed him as Satyam Param, or the Supreme Absolute Truth. Now there is a discussion of Supreme Absolute Truth. I do not know. Hey, you have started discussion on the Hangout. All 30 people will watch. Gaurav, you write to him directly.
He was not getting the link, so fine, sir.
Link I just sent him again. He has to. Okay, when you write like this, it goes. Okay, let's
See now, yes, come.
Yes, come in.
Acha, no. His Hangout is not working.
Okay, he can go and we can give him a YouTube link. Through that also he can come. Should I do that?
Yes, sir.
Two links I can. You people cannot see, no? I can see a link. That's in a YouTube. You can go there, and there when he goes, it will give an option. You want to join the conversation. So I can give him one more link. But actually, that's the way it works. The button should work. Because there's no end to it, Then I cannot do my discussion. Just we have to be busy. Remember last time 1 hour went into this.
Yes.
Let him locate. Gaurav, otherwise let him see live. WhatsApp. Okay. Everyone is searching after truth. That is okay. Who's going to read? Vandana Mata, you are able to see the screen?
You, I can see.
Yeah. So you can start it.
Yeah. The demigods were very glad that Lord was appearing to fulfill his mission, and they addressed him as Satyam Param, or the Supreme Absolute Truth. After the truth, that is the philosophical way of life. The demigods give information that the Supreme Absolute Truth is Krishna. One who becomes fully Krishna conscious can attain the Absolute Truth. Krishna is the Absolute Truth. Relative truth is not truth in all the three phases of eternal time. Time is divided into past, present, and future.
Yes.
Prabhu, next page.
Yeah. Krishna is
truth always, past, present, and future. In the material world, everything is being controlled by supreme time in the course of past, present, and future. But before the creation, Krishna was existing, and when there is creation, everything is resting in Krishna. And when this creation is finished, Krishna will remain. Therefore, he is absolute truth in all circumstances. If there is any truth within this material world, it emanates from the supreme truth, Krishna. Opulence within the material world, the cause of opulence is Krishna. If there is any reputation within the material world, the cause of reputation is Krishna. If there is any strength within the material world, the cause of such strength is Krishna. And education within the material world, the cause of such wisdom and education is Krishna. Therefore, Krishna is the source of all relative truths. This material world is composed of 5 principal elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether. And all such elements are...
Vandana Mataji, just wait. Okay? So let us understand this, what all we have said till now. Now they are addressed him as Satyam Param, or the Supreme Absolute Truth. Okay? Okay, Gaurav, you can tell him to see the live. Okay? Tell him we are given a link, website mein chala jayega. There also he may get, when he's seeing, he may get an option. Okay? We have sent him 3 times, we cannot distract ourselves. How many times is it? Demigod, the Lord appearing fulfilled, they address you as Satyam Param, or the Supreme Absolute Truth. Okay? Now let us understand what is, definition of God. Many people say God is there, and some people say there is no God. But then we have to know what is God. Correct? So therefore the definition of God is absolute. Absolute. Now they're defining that Krishna is the absolute. Who is speaking? David. And the one more point to note, very important point, is that they are not going for just, you know, Devata do not come here just to have some cheap description of Krishna Leela, as people are generally very interested. Somebody can get some entertaining description of Krishna Leela, people go and watch Bhagavad Sapta and they come back. Waste of time. It has to go the way, you see, Shuka Muni is explaining, the way the Prabhupada is explaining. Not that I will go to Krishna Leela, let me go hear some Krishna Leela. No, you have to understand like this. You getting my point?
Yes,
The point is that very systematically, very patiently hearing the position of Krishna as absolute truth. Correct? Then you, okay, what is the point? Itna abhi prayers chalega, 20 page prayer. Ye kya sun raha hai? We will hear, no, Krishna running, Mother Yashoda is running behind. We will hear all that. It is so pleasurable. Then it is not good. Okay? We should not avoid. See, who was hearing this? Shukamuni was speaking to Parikshit Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj, अरे यार बंद करो ये प्रेयर देवता की, सब मालूम है मेरे को, चलो कृष्ण लीला शुरू करो. टाइम नहीं है अभी, वो सांप आने वाला है. 7 days I will be killed by the snake. He did not say like that. He was very patient. Neither the guru, neither the disciple were in a hurry. They wanted to know the thing properly. This is very important. Demigod, okay, one who become fully Krishna conscious, attain absolute truth. Krishna is the absolute truth. Okay, so there is a difference between absolute truth. The related truth means past, present, future, it changes. Like anything in this world changes. But Krishna was there before the creation. He will be there through. Even after that, he will exist. The absolute truth. Sarva karana karanam. All the causes, and it is not relative. Relative in the sense like you are existing. You are existing because your parents existed. Otherwise, you don't exist. You are relative. You are dependent on some condition. You are existing. The Lord is eternally existing, and not affected by any condition. Okay? Therefore, it's called the supreme absolute truth. Okay, Prabhupada says that if there is any truth, it is emanating from the Lord itself. Any opulence, it is coming from Him. Any beauty, it is coming from Him. All the Shadaishwarya are coming from Krishna only. Okay? That also, if there is any wisdom, that also is coming from Krishna. Therefore, Krishna is the source of all relative truths. So the world is composed of 5 principal elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether, and all these elements are emanation from Krishna. Okay, this year started now. Yes, continue, Vandana Mataji.
The material world is composed of 5 principal elements: earth, water, fire, air, and ether, and all such elements are emanations from Krishna. The material scientists accept these primary 5 elements as the cause of material manifestation, but the elements in their gross and subtle states are produced by Krishna. The living entities who are working with I'm so sorry.
Okay. The living entities, continue.
The living entities who are working within this material world are also products of his marginal potency. In the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly stated that the whole manifestation is the combination of 2 kinds of energies of Krishna, the superior energy and the inferior energy. The living entities are the superior energy, and the dead material elements are his inferior energy. In its dormant stage, everything remains in Krishna. The demigods continue to offer their respectful prayers unto the supreme form of the personality of Godhead, Krishna, by analytical study of the material manifestation. What is the material manifestation? It is just like a tree. A tree stands on the ground. Similarly, the tree of the material manifestation is standing on the ground of material nature. This material manifestation is compared with a tree because a tree is ultimately cut off in due course of time. A tree is called vriksha. Vriksha means that thing which will be ultimately cut off. Therefore, this tree of the material manifestation cannot be accepted as the ultimate truth. The influence of time is on the material manifestation, but Krishna's body is eternal. He existed before the material manifestation. He is existing while the material manifestation is continuing, and when it will be dissolved, he will continue to exist.
Yes, now just wait. Okay, 2 paragraphs, let us understand. Okay, 5 principal elements. This all everybody knows. Earth, water, fire. Okay. So these 5 elements are known, but from where they are coming in the gross and the subtle. Subtle is the mind and all. Everything is coming from Krishna. Okay, it's understandable. The living entities are working within the metal world are also product of his marginal potency. The living entities are also product of the marginal potency. Okay. The living entity means there's a soul is also product from the creation of the Lord in that sense. 7th chapter it is said that the whole manifestation combination of two energies. So finally what we are seeing is nothing but Krishna. There is only thing but Krishna, just like sun includes sun's energies. So Krishna includes Krishna and his energies, and we are energy of Krishna. So there is only one thing in existence. What is that? Krishna. There is nothing else existing. So Bhagavad Gita also says, Parashakti Vivideshuvate, the two kind of energies, Mavai Vamsha Jivaloka, Jivabhuta Sanatanaha, Mana Shashtani Indriyani Prakatishani Karti. Basically, these two energies are running around this whole material manifestation. The metal energy and the Jivas are trying to manipulate and control the metal energy. Okay? The living entity, the superior energy, and why the metal energy is called inferior? Because it is dead. The word is dead. Dead metal energy is therefore the inferior energy. Okay? And finally, everything in dormant stage, everything remains in Krishna. Because everything comes from Krishna and it goes back to Krishna. Yes. Now, you have read the second para also. What is the, it is just like a tree. Now this word of a vriksha is coming. Take a vriksha, vriksha. The tree is called vriksha. The nice symbolism has been taken. Take a standing on the ground of material nature, because the tree is ultimately cut off. The material existence is one day destroyed. So therefore it is tree. There is a chapter. Which chapter of Bhagavad Gita talks about the material manifestation of the inverted tree? Or
Yes,
first
sir.
chapter? Second
Yes,
chapter?
sir.
Which chapter? There is a discussion of the tree as a vriksha. Third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 15th chapter. Okay? Vriksha. Vriksha means literally ultimately cut off. The material manifestation ultimately be destroyed. You can see the word is so nice. Sanskrit means every word has meaning. They say tree ko vriksha means it has a meaning. It will ultimately cut off one day. They know the tree will be cut off. Cannot be accepted the ultimate truth because it is one day destroyed. Okay. So Krishna existed before and after the material creation, therefore is the absolute truth. But our material time effects on the material energy, yesterday we discussed, it has Shadvikara. What are the Shadvikara? Everything is born into existence. What are the Shadvikara, Gaurav?
Shadvikara.
6 changes for the material body.
No, not
It is
sure,
born
sir.
into existence, every material body. Okay? It comes into being, then it grows. Then what happens? After growing, it stays for some time.
Please for some
It
time.
produces some byproducts. And then what happens after that? It
Destroy.
starts decaying and then dies. So everybody goes through 6 changes, but absolute truth does not go any change. Okay? So this is like a tree, material manifestation. Take care ultimately, but the tree might accept the ultimate. Because the time acts on the material manifestation, but Krishna's body, no, it is eternal. There is no effect on Krishna. Okay? Materialists keep dreaming. Every day we hear doctors are trying to design a medicine by which nobody will die. They will stop the aging. That's why many people are not scared of death. They say, no, this, my dear doctors, the scientists will make some medicine. Or Prabhupada says, unfortunately, the doctor also dies. Instead of saving you, he cannot save himself. Take care. Death is compulsory in the material manifestation. Even if you could have lived a longer, what's a great credit? Shankaracharya lived only 32 years. He shook whole India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lived only 44. Better a few moments of blissful life than thousands of years of boring life. Correct? Scientists are not able to figure out how to make the life of people invigorating and happy. Correct? Because they think the body, mind, and soul is one. So because of the misfortune of this kind of an understanding, they cannot help the society. He existed before, he exists while, and he'll exist even after the creation is dissolved. Okay, so then it continues further. Now, who wants to read? Nupur Mataji, you are with us now?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, you're going to read this Katha Upanishad.
Yes. The Katha Upanishad also cites this example of the tree of material manifestation standing
On the ground.
on the ground of material nature. This tree has two kinds of fruits, distress and happiness. Those who are living on the tree of the body are just like two birds. One bird is the localized aspect of Krishna known as Paramatma, and the other bird is the living entity. The living entity is eating the fruits of this material manifestation. Sometimes he eats the fruit of happiness, sometimes he eats the fruit of distress. But the other bird is not interested in eating the fruits of distress or happiness because he is self satisfied. The Katha Upanishad states that one bird on the tree of the body is eating the fruits and the other bird is simply witnessing.
Okay,
The
this much
roots
you
of this.
understood? Just wait.
Yeah.
This much because it's a long paragraph. This much is clear. Two birds. This example has been given many times in the Vedic literature. In Katha Upanishad that is quoted. Our existence is compared. Prabhupada is not Devatas are not developing the example of the tree. The tree where there are two birds. See how much they are speaking in knowledge. Devatas. Yeah. They're not saying, "Oh Krishna, you have come. You want to see immediately your Yashoda Leela." No, they're trying to offer prayers with knowledge. They're accepting the position of Krishna and their whole material existence. So material existence is compared like a existence on a tree, and now the whole symbolism will be developed and developed. In a tree, there are two birds. One bird is we, who are trying to enjoy the fruits of the tree. Other bird is not interested in the fruits of it, because Krishna is not interested in the so-called sensual pleasures of the world. Krishna only enjoyed the spiritual pleasures. Some people say that Krishna also came to this world attracted by the glitter of the sensual pleasures. Krishna does not enjoy matter. Krishna enjoys only spirit. He does not. He's not interested in the low-class pleasures that we are involved in. Okay. One bird of the tree is eating, the other bird is witnessing. And another thing, we were joking. Generally, we can give a bad association to somebody and we disturb the person. Correct? Suppose somebody in your room is drinking, you get disturbed by the whole atmosphere. Just imagine Krishna is watching and we're all giving horrible association to Krishna. He's not affected. He's totally transcendental. Correct? Just because you're watching a movie, Krishna doesn't become attractive. Just because you're smoking, Krishna doesn't become interested. For him, is a low-class pleasures. His pleasure is with advanced pleasure, with the pure devotees. So anyway, so the birds are there, two birds. Now the symbolism of the tree is continuing. The roots of the tree extend in three directions. Okay, now you continue.
Okay. The roots of this tree extend in three directions. That means the roots of the tree is the three modes of material nature: goodness, passion, and ignorance. Just as the tree's root expands, so by association of the modes of material nature, goodness, passion, and ignorance, one expands his duration of material existence. The taste of the fruits are four kinds of religiosity, economic development, sense gratification, and ultimately liberation. According to different associations in the three modes of material nature, the living entities are tasting different kinds of religiosity, different kinds of economic development, different kinds of sense gratification, and different kinds of liberation.
Okay, this much you understand. So our entanglement is like this tree. Okay, and the roots of the tree are three. The goodness, passion, ignorance is actually Maya. Three kinds of Maya. Little Maya, more Maya, Mahamaya. Ignorance is heavy Maya, not Mahamaya. It's all features of Mahamaya. I think a root expands, so association of the moods, one expands our duration. As you know, the root, some trees, you cannot pluck them out. They go so deep in the ground, not so easy to pull them out. So our existence also by the three modes, we are totally trapped. Okay, the taste of the fruits is the four kind. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. There are four kind of taste people enjoy in this world. Basically, all four are sense gratification. Okay, Dharma means so-called religiosity. Economic development is endeavor to make some money. Then enjoy the senses. And finally, the biggest sense gratification, I become God. So all the four are called sense gratification. Okay, according to the different modes of material nature, living and tasting, different kind of religiosity, different kind of economic development, different kind of sense gratification, different kind of liberation. So that's the condition of the soul. See, they are trying to understand the position we are having in this world. And then they are doing. Okay, continue.
Practically all material work is performed in ignorance. But because there are three qualities, sometimes the quality of ignorance is covered with goodness or passion. The taste of these material fruits is accepted through five senses. The five sense organs through which knowledge is acquired are subject to six kinds of whips: lamentation, illusion, infirmity, death, hunger, and thirst. This material body or the material manifestation is covered by 7 layers: the skin, muscle, flesh, marrow, bone, fat, and semina. The branches of the tree are 8: earth, water, fire, air, ether, and mind, intelligence, and ego. There are 9 gates in this body: the 2 eyes, the 2 nostrils, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 1 genital, 1 rectum, and there are 10 kinds of internal air passing within the body: the prana, apana, udana vayu, vyana vayu, samana vayu, etc. The 2 birds seated in this tree, as explained above, are the living entities and the localized Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Okay, this is understood. See, symbolism means aisa ho symbolism. So much details, है ना? See,
Yes.
the devatas are not buddhas, giving such nice symbolism. Okay, so he said acquiring knowledge is through 5 senses. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, the taste through the 5 senses you enjoy the taste of the. What are the taste? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Okay, na? That is the taste. It acquired through the 5 senses. Done. And then you are subjected to 6 kind of whips. You are hit by 6 kind of whip: lamentation, illusion, infirmity, death, hunger, and thirst. Hunger and thirst we know. Death we know. Infirmity. क्या होता है भाई infirmity? गौरव, देख के बताओ.
हाँ. The condition of being infirm often as associated with old age, weakness, or frailty. Sorry, the infirmity
Okay.
brought on by the disease. When you become weak.
Infirmity basically oldness, no? Old age.
Weakness associated with old age, yes, sir.
Okay. Infirmity. Yes, so we have old age, death, hunger, thirst. These are all problems. And lamentation, we keep crying for no purpose. And we are totally in illusion. Okay, so these 6 kind of whips we are having. See, this is so truth, no? Is it mythology? People tell, what is mythology here? Manoj, क्या mythology is there? Okay, we simply cry for no purpose.
Yes.
And then we are into illusion. It makes sense. Infirmity makes sense. Now eldest in there is gathering me and Manoj now. Infirmity में हम लोग जा रहे हैं. And then death. No, Manoj, I should not tell. He's still young. At least I am going. This material body is covered with 7 layers. There, even Ayurveda talks about the 7 layers. And this is the skin. Okay. And then below the muscles are there. And then the flesh. What is the difference between flesh and muscle? भैया आयुर्वेद का आदमी भाई इधर नहीं है. ठीक है. Marrow we know, bone we know, fat we know, stamina we know. ठीक है. जो होगा आयुर्वेद वाला find it. There are 7 anyway we know. Ayurveda talks about 7 layers. So when
I think
Hare
the
Krishna,
flesh.
Pallavi Asta. Hey, pathology, Hare Krishna. Pallavi. Chalo, yes, come. Okay, chalo. We'll get some Ayurveda people also. I'm teaching in Ayurveda college. Tell them to join. The branches of the tree are 8: earth, water, fire, air, ether. These are 3 understood. Correct? These are the 8 part of material energy. The 9 gates, you all know 9 gates in the body. A body, the back with 9 holes. Count: 2 eyes are there, 2 nostrils are there, 2 ears are there, 1 mouth is there, 1 genital, 1. So nice. Navadwara, many times it is. कभी ऐसा है क्या? Somebody has 10 holes in the body. Gaurav? 10 kind of internal air passing within the body. This people do not know. 10 kind of prana, apana, udana, jnana, samana. The 2 birds seated in this tree as explained about living entity and the localized supreme personality. Correct? Understood?
Yes.
sir.
Fine. Yes. Who's continuing now? Yes, this is.
I'll continue.
Nupur. Yeah, Nupur.
Yeah. The root cause of material manifestation described here is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Supreme Personality of Godhead expands himself and takes charge of the 3 qualities of material world. Vishnu takes charge of the modes of goodness, Brahma takes charge of the modes of passion, and Lord Shiva takes charge of the modes of ignorance. Brahma, by the modes of passion, creates this manifestation. Lord Vishnu maintains this manifestation by the modes of goodness, and Lord Shiva annihilates it by the modes of ignorance. The whole creation ultimately rests in the Supreme Lord. He is the cause of creation, maintenance, and dissolution. And when the whole manifestation is dissolved in its subtle form as the energy of the Lord, it rests within the body of the Supreme Lord.
Correct. Let us understand this. Okay, the root cause is Krishna only, and you know the Vishnu is also an expansion of the Lord. Shiva is also one partial expansion, will get it, and Vibhinamsha, Brahma is a Jiva expansion of the Lord. Take charge of the three qualities. They say these posts are very high. Sometime when there is no qualified person to take post of Brahma within the universe, just like a jail, you don't bring people from outside the jail. It's expensive. You know, why spend money? Already you have to spend on the food and the other requirements of the prisoners. Then you hire people, it will be so expensive. So what they do within the jail, they use people, they save money. So similarly, Krishna also doesn't want to bring a pure devotee to manage these crazy people. Among this jail, who are better, are used to manage the rest. You know, like in a jail, they give chapati distribution or other distribution to different people in the jail only. So like that. So Brahma is the best in the jail, the Jiva. But sometimes if there is nobody to take the post of Brahma, because Brahma post is also requires very high qualities. But Brahma, even Manu, even Indra requires very high qualities. So Krishna sometimes incarnates. Okay? So sometimes Brahma is Krishna himself, but generally Brahma is the Jiva. And Shiva is a very difficult to understand because he's like milk turned into curd. It is curd, it is milk, at the same time it's not. So Shiva is almost Vishnu, Prabhupada says. Therefore, many people get misunderstand, but to understand Shiva, they think he is also Vishnu. No. He's the greatest servant of Vishnu, but his position is very great, even much greater than Brahma. Okay. So Vishnu take charge more of goodness, Brahma take more charge of passion. So it's not that Brahma becomes passion, or they're taking charge of that more. Okay. You're given, just like somebody is taking charge of the jail, doesn't mean he's a bad person. He's a good person, but he has taken the responsibility. So Brahma has taken the responsibility, more of passion. Shiva has taken of ignorance, and Vishnu taken the more of goodness.
Okay. Can you turn the page?
Okay, we have read this already.
Yeah.
Brahma by the mode of passion creates the manifestation. Okay, Lord Vishnu maintains by goodness, and Shiva by ignorance. Okay. Dissolve a subtle energy, and when the material creation dissolve in a subtle form, okay, because this energy is getting transformed actually. Originally it is called pradhana, and it is transforming, and you see here. So originally it goes back to the subtle stage. Then there is differentiation, just like a child. It is one single cell only, and there is so much differentiation in the whole body form. It's difficult to believe it was just one simple cell. The same way, it's difficult to believe how the creation was one form of energy, then it kept transforming into so much variety.
Yes.
Yeah, continue.
At the present, the demigods prayed, the Supreme Lord Krishna is appearing just for the maintenance of this manifestation. Actually, the Supreme Cause is one, but being deluded by the three modes of material nature, less intelligent persons see the material world is manifested through different causes. Those who are intelligent can see that the cause is one, Krishna. As it is stated in the Brahma Samhita, Sarva Karana Karanam, Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the cause of all causes. Brahma is the deputed agent for creation, Vishnu is the expansion of Krishna for maintenance, and Lord Shiva is the expansion of Krishna for dissolution.
Okay, this is clear. Krishna is Sarva Karana Karana. Prabhupada says that's a mistake we are doing. We begin somewhere in the middle. We don't begin from the beginning. Beginning, you see, even Darwin, when he said on the origin of species is paper, he never talked about how the species originated. They start somewhere for the middle. Now life is somehow already there, and accidentally this happened, some nonsense. Okay. So Prabhupada said actually he has stolen this idea from the Puranas, because this concept of evolution is
Yes,
there,
he says.
but then he did concocted and made a mess of the whole thing.
He says.
Even concoction, because it is a Vedic idea, even concoction is very powerful, and the whole world is convinced to this day. A majority, 90% people are convinced by the Darwin's theory. but they are not been exposed to the real thing. And because we devotees are sleeping, if you had exposed the world to the real thing, they will not be cheated by the consumption. They're all cheated now. Previous to Darwin, even most of the scientists were God believers. After Darwin, they got an explanation of the creation can come with some concoction, on its own. Matter can on its own start organizing itself. Your computer is there on its own. It will start changing from 64-bit. It will become 200-bit. The memory from 8 gigabyte will become 100 gigabyte. Matter has no creative capacity. But somehow foolishly he has put that proposal and people accept it. It's the misfortune. But it is true. So, but truth is something different. It's not thing. But deluded by the three modes of material nature, people think something other is the cause of creation. Correct? You see, that is an effect of Maya.
Yes.
See? Different causes. Not different cause. Only causes Krishna. Those are intelligence, the cause is one, Krishna. Correct? You see the creation of the universe or your own self or the body, the cause is Krishna. Okay, so therefore Brahma is the reputation for creation, Vishnu expansion, for Krishna maintenance. So originally Krishna is the cause of everything. They say that many people Trimurti, agreed Trimurti, but all the Trimurtis are coming from Krishna. Why? Because Krishna is the Sarva Karana,
Karanam.
cause of all. Therefore he is called absolute truth. So definition of God is the source from which everything has come. Even Trimurtis have come from him. Whole creation has come from him. All energies have come from him. Therefore, he is the God. He is Krishna. He is supreme, absolute. Yes. Thank you. Now we give chance, Manoj, Manupur Mataji, because they're all sitting silent.
Yes.
Manoj, start. You are there?
Yes, I'm here.
Our dear Lord.
Our dear Lord, the demigods prayed. The demigods prayed. It is very difficult to understand your eternal form of personality. People in general are unable to understand your actual form. Therefore, you are personally descending to exhibit your original understand the different incarnations of your lordship, but they are puzzled to understand the eternal form of Krishna with two hands.
Okay, correct.
Among human beings, exactly like one of them. This eternal form of your lordship is ever increasing in transcendental pleasure for the devotees, but for the non-devotees, this form is very dangerous. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is very pleasing to the sadhu. It is said, Paritranaya sadhunam, but this form is very dangerous for the demons because Krishna also descends to kill the demons. He is therefore simultaneously pleasing to the devotees and dangerous to the demons. Our dear lotus-eyed.
Let us understand this. Just wait.
Okay.
Okay, he said it's very difficult to understand the eternal form. Therefore, most of the people, they say that God is formless. Because they can't understand, because when you say form, they think we are limited to a place. It's like when you have a form, you get limited to the place. And Manoj is in England, he cannot be in Bangalore. Nupur Mataji is in America, she cannot be in England. Correct? Vandana is in Suratkar. And all are in different places, all of us. So we can't, just because we are having form, we get limited, so that God is formless, so unlimited. But the foolishness is that the God's form is spiritual. So we should not impose our material ideas on the Lord, because you can't be present everywhere, but God can be present. No? That's why He's God. God is great means He's special. It's not that everything you can do, only that He can do. Okay, you can lift 20 kilos, maybe so God can lift 100 kilos. No. He can lift whole mountain. No, that is impossible. That is mythology. Because you're thinking, you're comparing God to your own self. It's not true. So God's form is spiritual, and therefore He can be present everywhere at the same time. Therefore, Prabhupada is saying people are unable to understand. Why unable? Because they don't respectfully listen what Vedas are saying. Whatever they are able to see in this world, therefore Prabhupada says we should not try to see God. We should hear Him. He gives a joke. It's like, suppose sweet is in front of you. We do not say, what do we say? Let me see the taste. Now, seeing the taste means through the tongue also you see. Correct? We give the statement, let me see the taste. The same way, let us see Krishna by hearing now. So by hearing we understand, not by seeing in the beginning. Okay. Your form actually, personal discernment to exhibit your eternal. Somehow people can understand different incarnation Lordship, but they're puzzled to understand eternal form Krishna two hand. This is very, very rare. Even in Bhagavad Gita, when Krishna shows Vishwarupa, then he shows Narayana form, then he shows Krishna form, original two-handed, and he says to Arjuna, this is very, very rare. Therefore, Devatas actually they get darshan. People say somehow they can understand the four-handed form of the Lord. But this two-handed form with holding a flute is very difficult. Why? Because Krishna acts like an ordinary boy also on it. But Brahma came and saw Krishna. Brahma heard that Krishna has killed the Aghasura demon, and he came to see. He saw, what is a small boy holding some fruit in his hand, some butter in his hand? He is Krishna. He is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Not possible. Let me check. So, so therefore it's difficult actually to be able to understand Krishna, because he doesn't show like Narayana with all power, Shankha is moving, Chakra is moving, there's nothing to detect. He looks like ordinary. And he acts in so wonderfully, it is very difficult for people to understand. But the devotees, for them, they can understand, because it's ever increasing their transcendental pleasure for the devotee. He is Akhila Rasa Amrita Sindhu for the devotee. They know. Just like Mother Yashoda, she did not test Krishna whether it's God or not, but he is a source of unlimited spiritual pleasure, and that's what the highest aspect of God. Okay? But for the devotee, therefore chanting Hare Krishna is as good as God realization, because you can achieve unlimited transcendental pleasure just by chanting. Okay. So Krishna is very pleasing to the sadhus, Paritrana sadhuna, but it's very dangerous for the demons. Yeah. We were explaining this point. Just like Prabhupada says, either you become like Prahlad Maharaj, you see the Lord with loving feature, or you become Hiranyakashipu, you see him in the death. I gave the example, just like suppose that the teacher, you're in a classroom. One student is very sweetly sitting in the front bench and is listening to whatever you're telling, is asking questions. You're having very nice relationship with him. You're enjoying teaching just because of maybe one good student in the class. So he's really able to understand your presence. But there is one person who denies your existence in the class. Okay, he doesn't care you exist, and he does everything what he wants to do. And then he's thrown out of the class. Get out of the class. And you call a security or somebody and throw him out of the class. So he sees you only your power of throwing him out. He is not able to relate your personal existence. Correct? The same way, some people are the front benchers. They accept God exists, and they're lovingly relating, doing devotion service and feeling the bliss. And there are some people, what they do? They're thrown out. When the death comes, they see that even they want to live, even the so-called scientists want them to live, but they have to die. Nobody can help. Correct? The doctor is standing helpless with his head down. He's not able to do anything. They're so proud of themselves. Sometimes I see these doctors. But when the patient is dying, they're also head down, helpless. They can't help. So we see God in the form of death, or you see God in the form of personal relationship. So that choice is ours. But we have to see God. You better see in a sweet way. So Krishna is very dangerous for the demons, because Krishna punishes them when they do nefarious activity. And devotees, no, he's very pleasing to the sadhus. Same personality. You see, he's very pleasing to the sadhus. Just like it's a Mohini Murti. Was so merciful to the Devatas. And the Danava, she cheated them. Correct? Danava only saw her as a very beautiful woman, that's all, but they never got nectar. But Devatas, they got the mercy of the moment. So it's pleasing simultaneously to the devotees and dangerous to the demons. Yes. You're all feeling a little sleepy, or everybody is fresh?
Everybody is fresh, sir.
Huh?
Good.
Fresh,
Yeah,
sir.
good.
Hey, Gaurav, you do the 5-minute
Yes,
kirtan.
Take it, sir.
And they will wake up. No, because I wanted to take my dinner. Let it do 5-minute kirtan. I'll just come.
Okay. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine
Namaste Vishnu Padaya Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यादिशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama, Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Chalo. Gaurav,
Yes,
after a
sir.
long time.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay. So where are we? Therefore, simultaneously pleasing and dangerous we reach here. Dangerous to the. Let us see how many pages we have. Okay, we are at page 146 at the bottom. You can see. 26. Whose turn it is to read? Manoj was reading, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manoj, you read. Okay. 46. Chalo. Please. We'll read if there is something to. We will comment. Okay.
Yeah, Our dear lotus-eyed Lord, you are the source of pure goodness. There are many great sages who simply by samadhi or transcendently meditating upon your lotus feet and thus being absorbed in your thought have easily transformed the great ocean of nescience created by the material nature to no more than water in calf's hoof print. The purpose of meditation is to focus the mind upon the personality of Godhead, beginning from his lotus feet. Simply by meditation on the lotus feet of the Lord, great
Sages.
of material existence without difficulty.
Okay, just understand this.
Yeah.
Who knows the
O
shloka? Samashita
self,
pada pallava plavam. Anybody
Ah,
knows the
yes, sir.
shloka?
Yeah, I know the shloka.
Tell the shloka.
Samashita hi padapallava plavam. Uh, I mean, oh God, I just forgot.
Mahat.
Just tell me. Ah, Mahat Padam Yad Punyasho Mahat
Are
Padam Punyasho Murare
Bhavambudi.
Bhavam Budir Vatsa Padam Param Padam
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 padam.
Padam
Yep.
Yad Vipadam Natesham. Yeah.
Yes. What does it mean?
Yeah. So it means that what seems to be unfathomable is the entire material world is just like it's just like the water contained in the uh, that footprint of the calf. You can just cross it over just like that when you come into Krishna consciousness. So seems as
Yeah.
big as the water contained in the footprint of the calf.
Yes. See what happens if the material existence is very fearful, and all of us, if we reflect on it, we have been in this material world for billions of births, and even now we have so many material desires. It's not easy to get out of this place. Okay? It's the ocean. It's like an ocean, not easy to swim across. So it's like an ocean of desires, material desires, and we are stuck in this world. Now, when you try to, just like you're standing on the shore of an ocean and you have to cross a ocean. When I'm standing in India, I have to cross ocean and I want to swim and reach America. So when I take this ocean of Krishna consciousness is very dynamic. So when I take a step towards Krishna Loka, Vaikuntha, the ocean reduces and it becomes just water in the calves of prayer. Got it? Now looks like it is impossible to control my mind. Impossible. But if you make an attempt, it becomes very easy. Just like they say washing the pots. I think the ladies have the habit, when you wash, before washing looks, my God, this kitchen will take me 100 hours to do. When you start, it's over. 15 minutes is over. Or washing clothes. Sometimes you cribble to wash your clothes. You think, my God, it's like a mountain of clothes. You just start. It takes no time, but it finishes up. So similarly, even a material world, we have an experience like that. But it is static. But Krishna consciousness is dynamic. If you sincerely say, Krishna, I want to come back to your lotus feet, even though the mental desires and mental energy is so much entangling us, he immediately relieve you. And it looked like a calf in the hoof print. You can jump, Prabhupada says, 1 dozen at a time. And he laughs. Correct? From here to jump to America looks impossible. But when it becomes small, water in a calf footprint, because Vedas, every example is natural. So they are seeing a calf walking on the ground. When a calf walks on a sand, it will make small prints. So how much rainwater can be collected in that? Almost nothing. So calf means not even a cow, calf. Vatsapadam. Vatsapadam means calf. So small water, that's all it will become. Probably you can jump 1 dozen at a time. So easily you can cross over the existence if you agree to sincerely try to go. And what is the sincerity shown in? Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Even though it's impossible to reach Krishna's lotus feet, if you agree what we are doing now, hear Krishna Leela every day and chant Krishna's holy name, you see, I have crossed all the limitations. My mind was so materialized. It's an Ajita Apijita. Krishna is conquered. He conquered Krishna. When we eager to hear about him, Krishna is so pleased. And when Krishna is pleased, what is impossible, we thought we can never do it, but we are able to do it. Okay. Chalo. So this makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Manoj, you wanted to say something on this? I'm not allowing other people to speak. Anybody wanted to say something? Samajh aa raha hai, it is reasonable. It's fine. We continue till like yesterday till 11. Yesterday, who was there?
Nupur Mataji, I was
I
there,
was
and
here.
Pallavi Mataji.
Oh, you were also there, Gaurav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who are missing? Who were there yesterday?
I wasn't there, Prabhu.
Okay, Vandana Mataji was not there. Manoj was not there. And then who were other people who came in Gaurav yesterday?
I think
It was
Preeti.
Preeti, yes. That's it. Only 4 of us were there. I mean,
The last
including
Sunday, what happened? We had some 20 people. Because of that, we make it to 2. But we continue 2 days. It is good.
Yes, sir. It
Yes.
was better, sir. We were able to cover.
Yeah, otherwise we are trying to understand. It will take time. Okay, we will spend 100 years trying to read Krishna book. Otherwise, now at least we will be doing 1 chapter a week. Okay, maybe it will pick up because this chapter is a little long. But I don't want to jump over this because it should be, because we want to really get Krishna. We should not jump. And Prabhupada has said in the, there is called Shruti Phala. You know what is called Shruti Phala?
Yes, sir.
Just like you go to the holy dham, no, there is a phala. If you come to this dham, this will happen. There's some blessing. Correct?
Okay.
Potential. It's not that you have to deal with it properly, but there is a potential blessing. So people go to this dham, आपके सारे पाप नष्ट हो जाएंगे. इस धाम में आओगे, आपको कृष्ण प्रेम मिल जाएगा. So like everything has a blessing. Potential. It depends on how eagerly you do it. Just like it is said, if you take bath in Radha Kund, you will get Krishna prema. That is potential. But if you do it sincerely, definitely it is so powerful. Okay? But generally we don't do it in that platform of Goswamis. Understanding Radha Kund is not different from Nupur Mataji. You have gone to Vrindavan anytime?
Yes, I've been to Vrindavan.
You have seen Govardhan, no? Radha Kund.
Yes, I've seen Radha Kund and Govardhan.
Yeah, so Radha Kund is actually non-different from Radharani. But we cannot understand all this thing. What is all this? So when you come to that platform and you take blessing of Radharani and put Radha Kund water over your head, you get Krishna prema. But the point is, are we on that platform? No. So same way, just like when you're chanting Hare Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Iya hoite sarva siddhi tumara. Just by chanting Hare Krishna, you will get all perfection. So potentially it is so powerful. So similarly, when an author, Acharya writes the book, they give a Shruti Phala. So Prabhupada written in this book, in the introduction, if anybody reads this book, just by doing that, he will get Krishna prema. He has given the Shruti Phala, blessing. So therefore, we don't want to jump over. Because Acharya said, you read, so we should not think it is redundant, you know. He has taken the effort to all the shlokas in the text form, see, avoiding quoting any shlokas, so it become easy to read. He kept it for a, you know, easy reading. Correct? So we should not make a further shortcut on it. Hare Krishna, welcome, Preeti.
Prabhuji.
We're talking about you only. You said we are there yesterday. Where is your friend Neha?
Prabhuji, she is at home.
Okay. She has gone on holidays.
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Okay. Meditation is the focused mind of the personal, beginning at his lotus feet. Okay. Lotus with great sages cross. So when you take Samashita ye pada pallava plavam mahapadam purna yasho imarare bhavamudi vasa padam param padam 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 yukubhanam tesha. So all the vipada of the material existence is easily crossed by the great sages of Krishna's lotus feet. Otherwise, the material world is only vipada. Every step there is a danger. But taking shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, we cross over this ocean of material existence. Okay, continue. You know the shloka, Preeti? Samashita ye pada pallava plavam mahat padam purna yasho murare bhavamudi vasa padam param padam padam munatesha.
No, Prabhuji, I don't know.
Yeah. Try. You can note down. It's
Okay, Prabhuji.
Should I post the shloka in the link and the notes too?
Do that. Some more people are trying to search for us. Preeti, you have been calling. Preeti.
Actually, then I went to setting, then I find invitation to, then I clicked on that.
Yeah, invitation was there. It was there or not to you, invitation? Chalo, continue.
O self-illuminated one, the great saintly personality, persons who have crossed over the oceans of nescience by the help of the transcendental boat of your lotus feet, have not taken away that boat. It is still lying on this side. The demigods are using a nice smile. If one takes a boat to cross over a river, the boat also goes with one to the other side of the river, and so one reaches the destination. How can the same boat be available to those who are still on the other side? To answer this difficulty, the demigods say in their prayer that the boat is not taken away. The devotees still remaining on the other side are able to pass over the ocean of material nature because the pure devotees do not take the boat with them when they cross over. When one simply approaches the boat, the whole ocean of material nescience is reduced to the size of water in a calf's hoof print. Therefore, the devotees do not need to take a boat to the other side. They simply cross the ocean immediately. Because the great saintly persons are compassionate toward all conditioned souls, the boat is still lying at the lotus feet of the Lord. One can meditate upon his feet at any time, and by so doing, one can cross over the great ocean of material existence.
Yes. Okay. Good. Gaurav has
Yes.
posted the shloka for all of you. Can try to remember some
Okay.
assignment.
Okay.
We'll give assignment also. So one shloka every time. This is the shloka today has been discussed so vigorously, so it can be remembered. Okay. Now this Prabhupada explaining the shloka actually. Now the interesting fact is, just like I said, when you take a boat and you say I will cross the ocean from India to America, but when you just try to put when your leg in the boat, the ocean reduces and becomes a calf footprint. Okay, and you easily jump over. You don't have to use the boat, but the boat is still lying there. You got it? If you take the boat, it's a dynamic ocean. Idea is it's a dynamic ocean. So another person when he comes, it looks a huge ocean. But if he lifts his foot, the ocean reduces. Before you put your leg on the boat, the ocean reduces the water to the calf footprint, and you jump over. So it's like that. It looks impossible. The boat can be taken as a lotus feet to the Lord, or the directions to achieve Krishna's lotus feet. When you take it up, immediately the material existence, which is impossible to cross over, becomes easy. So all lies in our sincere attempt to cross. It looks impossible, but it becomes very easy when we are sincere. Meditate on fit at any time. So the proper is they comparing the Compassionate, the boat is still lying. Okay, the boat. This is a nice symbology. Samashita. When it's just approach the boat, take the boat to simply cross the ocean. Okay, here you do not take the boat because they just attempt to cross the ocean becomes like a cast of prayer. Yes, continue. Okay, now Manoj, we can Gaurav, you read sometime. Take Manoj,
Yes.
that's fine.
Yes, Rohit. Yeah.
So meditation means
Basically, I'm keeping everybody awake. Otherwise, Gaurav will sleep away by that time. Yeah.
meditation means concentration upon the lotus feet of the Lord. Lotus feet indicate the supreme personality of Godhead. Those who are impersonalists do not recognize the lotus feet of the Lord, and therefore their object of meditation is something impersonal. The demigods express their mature verdict that the persons who are interested in meditating on something void or impersonal cannot cross over the ocean of nescience. Such persons are simply imagining that they have become liberated. O lotus-eyed Lord, their intelligence is contaminated because they fail to meditate upon the lotus feet of your Lordship. As a result of this neglectful activity, the impersonalists fall down again into the material way of conditioned life, although they may temporarily rise up to the point of impersonal realization.
Okay. Now this is also some very, very nice quotation. Ye Arvindaksha Vimukta Maninaha. Okay. Where is it? We are in this 30 people. So I put this one more. You can read that the whole thing will come. Yarvindaksha Vimukte Maninaha. Can you see that? I have put something. There's a beautiful
Yes.
shloka. It gives a picture. Prabhupada's books. What does it say? Arvindaksha, you can see. Vimukta
Yes,
Manina.
sir.
They think they have become liberated. Vimukta Manina. They think, but they're not liberated. They're thinking. Tvai Ashtabhavad Avishuddha Buddhaye. Correct? You can click on the link, you will see this. Aruya Krichena Param Padam Tata Patanti Ado Another Yusman Angreya. But actually, see the 10.2. Can you see the shloka number? 10 chapter, 10th canto, second chapter. Which chapter we are in now?
Second chapter.
Can you see the shloka being described? We can, one by one. Prabhupada is just explaining the shlokas of there. Okay? You see the shlokas. Okay, I can just show you. Just let us just have a brief, and we go to the. I will show you that itself now. Is it fine? Do I show you the book for some time?
Yes, Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let us see.
Yes, sir.
Where are we? Where are we? We are here. And it depends upon me what I show you. Okay, here are we. I go. And I want to share something now. Application window. Krishna book. Oh. It's a little complicated. Sama Shita. Amar. Correct. Now I'm able to do it. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, we will.
Yes.
Correct. So this is actually the proper. This is what you see. Here you can all see clearly. Oh, sorry. You can see that this is the 32nd verse. Correct. Can you all see?
Yes.
And this is how do I show you? This is the 32nd verse of the second chapter. Okay. Now this you have to take
Yes.
it. It's like that, but it's not visible there. The link is not visible there. This you're only seeing to. Is present into everyone. Yeah. So this is the 32nd verse. You see that is coming. It's coming in the second chapter. Second chapter of the 10th canto. 32nd verse. So this is what we were looking. This is we are here now. Okay. Someone might say that aside from who wants to read this? Manoj, you can read.
Yes, Prabhuji. Someone may say that aside from devotees who always seek shelter at the Lord's lotus feet, there are those who are not devotees but who have accepted different processes for attaining salvation. What happens to them? In answer to this question, Lord Brahma and other demigods said, O lotus-eyed Lord, although non-devotees who accept severe austerities and penances to achieve the highest position may think themselves liberated, their intelligence is impure. They fall down from their position of imagined superiority because they have no regard for your lotus feet.
Yeah, I'll explain to you. This just look at the last line. Patanti means fall down.
Fall.
Okay. Okay. Ardha means down. Okay. Adha means down. Upara paro means above. Adha means down. Patanti and they found on anadrita yusmat angreha, because they are neglecting devotion to angreha means always the lotus feet. Because they are neglecting a devotion to your lotus feet, they fall down. Aruhya krichena param padam. Aruhya. But they are going Aruhya. Even though they achieve by a lot of penance, they achieve the Brahman platform. Okay? The highest position according to their imagination. Okay? And then Vimukta Maninaha, they think they are liberated. Actually, they are not liberated. Ye Anye, the others who are not in devotional path. Okay? Arvindaksha, oh lotus-eyed one. Okay? The people who are not pure in mind, they think that they are liberated, but they are not. Tvai Ashtabhavat Avishuddha Buddhi. Their mind is not pure because they are envious of you. What is the Ashtabhavat? Speculating in various ways, not knowing, desiring information of your lotus feet. They do all kind of imagination because the mind is not pure. What happens? Aruhya krichena param. Even though they achieve the Brahman platform, they fall down from that because they neglect service to your lotus feet. Does it make a sense?
Yes, right.
Okay, you are not able to see the number. The number is I've given you the link. Okay, can you see that? And
Yes,
I gave you the link. You see the link is 10.2.32. So we are in the same chapter. In between, anytime we need, we will pick out the shloka. Okay, that is good. We come to know where we are. Now let us come back. Application window. Okay, so we sometimes we can see the shloka also. Yeah. Where are we?
Impersonalists, after undergoing severe austerities and penances.
Yeah, continue.
Impersonalists, after undergoing severe austerities and penances, merge themselves into the Brahman effulgence or impersonal Brahman existence. But their minds are not free from material contamination. They have simply tried to negate the material ways of thinking. that does not mean that they have become liberated. Thus, they fall down. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is stated that the impersonalist has to undergo great tribulation in realizing the ultimate goal. At the beginning of the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is also stated that without devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, one cannot achieve liberation from the bondage of fruitive activities.
इधर है, हाँ इधर है.
Last.
Beginning of Shri it said that without devotion with the personality of Godhead, one cannot achieve liberation from the bondage. So you cannot avoid this. See, I've always been telling, yoga means only bhakti yoga. Okay, Bhagavad Gita, the book of bhakti yoga. But when there is a contamination, there are strong mental desires, then it becomes karma yoga. When there is a contamination of, and karma yoga divided in two parts, sakama karma yoga and nishkam karma yoga. When you're working with strong mental desires, it becomes sakama karma yoga. Nishkam karma yoga is still attached to your profession. Oh, I'm a good engineer, I'm a good doctor. But you're attached, but you're not attached to the fruits coming. Doesn't matter. Okay, I earned 1 lakh or I earned 10,000. I'm not attached. I'm just giving a service to the society as a doctor, but I'm attached to being a doctor. That's also contamination, but not so bad. That's called Nishkam Karma Yoga. And above that is Jnana Yoga, when person is trying to understand the absolute truth, but still is attached to his own ideas and speculation. I feel like this. Many people, you try to preach to them, I feel. Who are you to feel nonsense? In my opinion. Who cares for your opinion? You know, it's crazy people. But in my opinion, they're so attached to their opinions, ideas. That is Jnana Yoga. But pure Bhakti Yoga means just accepting the words of the Shastra as coming from the spiritual world. Bhakti Yoga means he only wants 2 lotus feet of Krishna. That's it. That is pure. Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, there is a contamination. Okay, it makes sense. So impersonalists, they fall down. Okay, temporary impersonal realization. Why? Because they neglect the lotus. So the mind is not pure. The minds are not free from material contamination. Okay. They fall down. They have no activity. They just deny, I am not body, I am not body, I am not body. So they become liberated. But they have no desire to serve Krishna. So they come back from the Brahman platform again to social welfare activity. Probably most of these so-called impersonalists are into social welfare activities. Because why, if they say Brahman is Satya and this world is illusion. So why they are coming into illusion again to do social welfare activity? Because they get bored there. It said without devotion service, one cannot achieve liberation from the bondage of fruitive activities. You cannot be liberated without, you cannot avoid devotion service, whatever you do. Even the Gyanis cannot. Continue.
Sir,
is it clear to everybody? I'm just running. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
Clear, Prabhu.
Gaurav, you had a question.
No, I was just hearing the memories of Govinda Devi, Govinda Dasi Mataji. So you must be remembering, no, sir, when someone said that this world is an illusion, Prabhupada said, no, you should not say that. If a beautiful painter paints something and you call it an illusion, you know, he'll be hurt. So Krishna has made this beautiful world. It is not an illusion. So Prabhupada said it very beautifully.
Yeah, you understand? They say this word is an illusion. How can you say this word is an illusion? So much hard work is involved. Huh? Anybody knows to cook here? Vandana Mataji, make some very nice dish, suppose. Preeti, Preeti once cooked, I know. Still we have that, our oven that. You know the Nupur Mataji? She wanted to make a cake and still that thing is, the whole thing melted inside. So,
Oh my God.
still that is there. Proof. So anyway, try to cook something and you say it's an illusion. It's not illusion. How much effort it takes. And cooking is also an art. You learn by doing it. It happens in the beginning, everybody will do this. But you know, you cut your fingers and you burn something, but slowly you learn. But you cannot say it's an illusion. How can you say the whole, it took 3 hours to cook a nice feast and somebody comes and says it's an illusion. How much you'll feel hurt? Correct? It's not illusion. I spent time. It's a fact. It is truth. The food is ingredients are truth. It is not an illusion. It's a fact. So simply they say it's an illusion. Check. So they will fall down because, you know, another thing why they fall down, because soul, they, you know, they have started this thing, rest in peace, rest in peace.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
How can the soul rest?
Exactly.
The soul has no rest. Even when you sleep, the dreams are coming because soul is ever fresh. It does not need food. It's full of energy all the time. So there is no question of rest for the soul. Therefore, they fall down. If you try to rest, you will fall down, physically or spiritually. Physically, suppose you don't do any activity, it's a holiday. Chalo, aaj 15 घंटा सो जाएंगे, सो जाओ. Then your senses will go out of control after that. You have to keep yourself engaged in devotional activities. Moment you take, one devotee was telling very nicely, general tendency is if you are stressed out, to sleep. Yeah, sleep and go to hell. sleep and go to hell. So we should not sleep, rather we should sit and chant. Take shelter of the, we generally take shelter of the sleep in Kali Yuga. Don't do that. Take shelter of the holy name that is higher. Okay? True, when the mind is paining, a body is paining, what to do? You just take some rest. Okay. But the still higher is, okay, you're feeling tired, take little nap, but then don't keep sleeping. Get up and take shelter of the holy name. That will save. Okay, so we should know where to take shelter. Kali Yuga people take shelter of the sleep. Okay, but what? So even the sleep time, the soul is active. So how can it say the soul will be inactive? When it is just like we are in a hospital, now we are very sick, every activity is painful. But when I become healthy, just giving an example, it is so much fun running is such a fun. Correct? So similarly, presently the activities we are doing, it is painful. But the soul is liberated, activities are very joyful. So how can you say there are no activity? So how can you say rest in peace? There is no rest for the soul. You jump in peace. You be so much active in spiritual life. We should not pray. Somebody dies, no? They have a saying, rip, rip, rip. I think the concept has come from Christianity. Because they say now you sleep below in the grave for some time. And then one day of judgment will come from the grave, you will get up and run. Huh? Have you seen some horror movies like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because it comes from that concept. Prabhupada said, Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, this is all propaganda. No, from beginning to end, many things are wrong. Adam eating apple, and that is the creation for them. And there's death when, you get up from the grave and start walking. They show so many movies. Some people are running through the graveyard, and suddenly a lot of people get up and they start running behind. How many times you have seen so many English movies when you are young? Gaurav, you have seen?
Yes, sir. I have seen. I don't watch English movies,
So I will see.
but I have watched some horror movies.
Yeah, they show that Preeti has said Nupur Mother. Isn't it, Manoj?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So the concept being now you rest in peace till the day of judgment. But the point is for the soul there is no rest. And what it is, the body is waking. They didn't understand properly what Jesus was telling. Body doesn't come from the grave and run. The soul is different from the body. But when you are too dull-headed, you cannot understand what the speaker is telling. Correct?
Yes.
Definitely Jesus is aware of all the truth. But because the way he gave his life to spread the God's holy name, he looks to be a great realized soul. But the followers were not capable to understand higher stuff. And as if we are saying India is good. India also how many people have the proper understanding? Everybody, when somebody dies, say, rip, 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 rip. Rest in peace.
That is just like involuntary saying, sir. Happy birthday. Birthday, happy birthday.
Yeah, nobody knows what is the meaning of happy birthday. Yeah. In the Bhagavad Gita, sir, in personal ways, I don't realizing that. Yeah, where are we now? Yeah, we finished this. Continue from here. We've done the next page. Gaurav, you're lost now?
Yes, sir. So the statement of next page, sir. The statement of Lord Krishna is there in the Bhagavad Gita and in the Srimad Bhagavatam. The statement of the great sage Narada is there. And here also the demigods confirm it. Persons who have not taken to devotional service are understood to have come short of the ultimate purpose of knowledge and are not favored by your grace. The impersonalists simply think that they are liberated, but actually they have no feeling for the personality of Godhead. They think that when Krishna comes into the material world, he accepts a material body. They therefore overlook the transcendental body of Krishna. This is also confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, Avajananti Mam Modha. In spite of conquering material lust and rising up to the point of liberation, the impersonalists fall down. If they are engaged just in knowing things for the sake of knowledge and do not take to devotional service of the Lord, they cannot achieve the desired result. Their achievement is the trouble they take, and that is all.
Okay, very nice. The achievement, the trouble that takes, that's all. Waste of labor. Okay, so there the last is okay, Bhagavad Gita, okay, the kind of person that taken devotions come short or do not favored by the grace. Okay, would not take sincere devotion service will not be get blessed by the Lord. And Prabhupada say impersonally think that you know what they do, the Mayavadi ashram. The first thing you go, first thing they tell you to take sannyas, and no woman is allowed, only men. So they only no children are allowed. So they're already limiting themselves to people, and you have to, if you want to listen to them, first you have to leave your family and come. And then you leave your family responsibilities and come. And then the first day itself, they tell you are Narayana. They address each other Narayana and become very happy. Correct? By that, what is there, just eulogizing each other like that. Okay? And they think they're liberated. They're as good as Krishna. And they say, Krishna, what he was, they deride Krishna. He also became liberated, so we can also become liberated. Maybe he was in Satoguna, like that they speak. So this is very, very offensive. But Prabhupada is saying this is not good to look like that. Prabhupada says a dog cannot become God, and God does not become dog. Okay, so these things don't happen. This is a law of identity. Both are cannot interchange. Avajanati ma moda. Krishna is saying fools don't understand me. They speak all this. Okay, in spite of conquering material lust and rising, just they get little this thing, little they rise and they start, just to open an ashram, you get 10, 15 followers, and he speaks some nonsense. I'm God, you are God. Some Sankhya they speak, and people get bewildered and they say, I'm Narayana. So actually, they fall down from that platform. Yeah, continue. The achievement is the trouble they take. That's all. That's very nice saying. What all they do, just waste of labor. Okay, only trouble. Yeah, you are here. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Gaurav? Preeti, you start off then. Gaurav looks to be on Samadhi. Chalo, chalo.
It is clear.
He can't hear.
Prabhuji, I can't see a
Oh, you're
but
not able
I'm
to see
trying
the above.
to no, but I'm trying to understand the lines
Okay, okay.
clearly. That's only the problem is that I'm not able to analyze the letters.
What happened? Gaurav?
Yeah, Hare Krishna sir, I'm sorry sir, my network was
I
gone.
to see it in the
Laptop hang ho gaya
He
tha.
has come, he has come. Chalo, continue. It is
Prabhuji, can I
clear.
see? Now I'm able to see. Can
Okay,
I
chalo,
speak?
attempt.
So,
It is clearly
Chalo, let her
stated in
attempt.
the
Preeti.
Bhagavad Gita to realize the Brahman identification is not at all help one to become a joyful without a material attachment or a detachment or to achieve the platform of equanimity
But after this
stage.
stage.
One has to take to devotional service. To after being
Chalo, Gaurav, start.
Yes, sir. So elevate. Okay.
When one takes to.
Conquering material lust.
Preeti Mataji, let him read. He's able to easily read. Yeah. When one takes to devotion service. Start.
he is then admitted into spiritual firmament resident in association with
Acha.
Godhead. That
Yes,
is
sir.
a result of devotional service. Devotees of society of God never found impressed. Even down, they remain absolutely to their wish. Can the mystical path of devotional service
Now,
and freely.
no, Preeti, it's coming very break. We are not able to hear. Nupur Mataji, you can start now. When one takes to devotion service. She is not there.
Should I continue, sir?
Yeah, continue.
So when one takes to devotional service after being elevated to the platform of Brahman realization, he is then admitted into the spiritual kingdom for permanent residence in association with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is the result of devotional service. Those who are devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead never fall down like the impersonalists. Even if the devotees fall down, they remain affectionately attached to their lordship. They can meet all kinds of obstacles on the path of devotional service and freely, without any fear, they can surmount such obstacles. Because of their surrender, they are certain that Krishna will protect them. As it is promised by Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, my devotees are never vanquished.
Yeah. I will do this. Just wait. I was thinking something when the devotions are to be. There is the famous shloka. What is the shloka? Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na shochati na kanshati sama sarveshu bhuteshu madabhakti labhate para. So when you further elevated platform of Brahman realization, go to the spiritual platform. The result of devotion service. Okay, they affectionately, devotee fall down. Even if the devotee fall down, they never forget Krishna. They always remember Krishna and they come back to devotion service. Okay, without any fear, and they can cross all their obstacles, and they always know Krishna will certainly protect them. What is the shloka Krishna says, my devotees are never vanquished? What is the shloka?
Name Bhakta Pranashati.
Yeah, Kaunteya Pratijanahi.
Do
not go and declare, my devotee will always be protected. So imagine so much mercy is there. Even if we take to devotion service and suppose we slip and fall down because of immaturity, whatever we do is not going to go in vain, and Krishna will be thinking how to pick you up. Like Ajamila, he was doing nice devotion service, he slipped, but Krishna will not. Yes, Manoj, you can read this.
Yes, Guruji. Our dear Lord, you have appeared in your original unalloyed form, the eternal form of goodness, for the welfare of all living entities within this material world. Taking advantage of your appearance, all of them can now very easily understand the nature and form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Persons who belong to the four divisions of the social order, the Brahmacharis, the Grihasthas, the Vanaprasthas, and the Sannyasis, can all take advantage of your appearance.
Okay, just understand this.
Yes, please.
Unalloyed original form, Krishna's form is totally spiritual. Okay. And it's very, very confidential, it's not easily revealed. But however, devotees understand Krishna to be the Akhila, the reservoir of all spiritual pleasure. Okay. And now Krishna has appeared, people can see how God is. They can very easily understand God. People keep imagining how God is, and Krishna has landed. Here God is, you can see. Okay, so can all take advantage of your appearance. Everybody can take advantage. So the opportunity for whole world now to personally see God and serve has come because Krishna appeared. I'll continue, dear. See how nicely they're saying, oh dear Lord. Everyone, every shloka, paragraph started like that. Oh dear Lord, my dear Lord, oh our dear Lord. You see that? Our lotus eyed, our dear lotus eyed Lord. You see here? They are speaking like that. And our dear Lord. Dear Lord, yeah, continue. Huh?
Rasaraj Prabhu was there in the flight. So when he was comparing the Bhagavad Gita with the impersonalists, he said, open a page and show me how many times Krishna is written. So got remembered. And then he opened our Bhagavad Gita and every page, Krishna was written. So he says this is an authentic Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah. No, he was traveling in an aeroplane and an impersonalist, one follower impersonalist was there. So that person was saying, I am going to India. He was a big man. He was coming in a flight back to India, and Rasaraj Prabhu is the devotee who made me devotee. A quite elderly person. So what happened when he was coming in the flight, that person was said, I'm going to India because my guru's Bhagavad Gita I want to print. I said, okay. I have the manuscript. You want to see the manuscript? Please have a look. So he gave me a printout even I was going through. I said, how is it? Did you like it? No, you liked it. He said, no, this is not authentic. I said, what do you tell? It's not authentic. I'm going all the way to print. My guru is so great. He said, that's fine. But you are a professor. He said, yeah, I'm a professor. I have patents also. So, okay. So if I write any article and I don't give credit to you, I just take any portion from your, papers, scientific papers. Is it fine? He said, no. If you put anything from my papers, you have to write, reference you have to give. So you have to give the credit that you copied it from my paper. It says, therefore, Bhagavad Gita is Krishna's message. Somebody is explaining Krishna's message should keep credit to Krishna, because it is his statement, he's taking advantage of that. He said, yes. So let us see how many times in your Bhagavad Gita, Krishna's name is written. So when it's not there, only his Mayavadi did not utter his name. They're so envious of Krishna. And he said, now look at our Prabhupada Bhagavad Gita. Every page, 4 times Krishna, 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 Krishna. So,
And the most beautiful thing was
now
that.
just look why we do. Why you go far away. Look here. Krishna.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, you see Krishna. Supreme Personality Godhead is also Krishna only. Again, Supreme Personality Godhead, Krishna. Correct? Okay. Our dear Lord, again referring to Krishna. Again, Supreme Personality. So basically, you see how much continuously is going on. Yes. Chalo, continue.
Yes, sir.
Dear Lord.
Dear Lord, husband of goddess of fortune, devotees who are dovetailed in your service do not fall down from their high position like the impersonalists. Being protected by you, the devotees are able to traverse over the heads of many of the Maya's commanders in chief, who can always put stumbling blocks on the path of liberation. My dear Lord, you appear in your transcendental form for the benefit of the living entities so that they can see you face to face and offer their worshipful sacrifices by ritualistic performance of the Vedas, mystic meditation, and devotional service as recommended in the scriptures. Dear Lord, if you did not appear in your eternal transcendental form, full of bliss and knowledge, which can eradicate all kinds of speculative ignorance about your position, then all people would simply speculate about you according to their respective modes of material nature.
Correct. Tamasic people will have some kind of imagination, Rasic some kind, Sattvic some kind. Really total imagination. Now you're coming, you're putting to rest all kind of imaginations. Correct? So very nice. And it says Maya's commanders in chief. So you hold your bead and every day chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You will jump over so many kind of stumbling blocks from the Maya's commanders in chief. You will be able to cover. So it's so nicely said, Maya's commanders in chief. Vandana Mataji, you are able to see us? Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. She has a free internet from the college. She has put it on. Hare Krishna, Vandana Mataji.
Oh, I can see.
I thought you put it on and you slept off. Chalo.
No, Prabhu. Actually, in between it went off, but again it restarted.
Chalo, continue. The appearance of
Okay. The appearance of Krishna is the answer to all imaginative iconography of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Everyone imagines the form of Supreme Personality of Godhead according to his mode of material nature. In the Brahma Samhita, it is said that the Lord is the oldest. A section of religionists imagine that God must be very old, and therefore they depict a form of Lord like a very old man. But in the same Brahma Samhita, that is contradicted. The oldest of all living entities, he has his
eternal.
He has his fresh. The exact words used in this connection in the Srimad Bhagavatam are Vignanam, Agnan, of Supreme Personality. Vignanam is also experienced.
Oh, it's hanging. Mataji is hanging.
Samhita is Vignanam as realized by Brahma's transcendental experience, and he presented the form and pastimes of Krishna in the transcendental abode. Agnana Bheda means that which can match all kinds of speculation. In ignorance, people are imagining the form of the Lord. Sometimes he has no form and sometimes he has form, according to their different imaginations. But the presentation of the Krishna in the Brahma Samhita is Vijnanam, scientific, given by Lord Brahma and accepted by Lord Chaitanya. About it, Sri Krishna's form, Sri Krishna's flute, Sri
There is no
Krishna's
doubt about it. Yeah.
color, everything is reality. Here, this Vijnanam is always defeating all kinds of speculative knowledge. Therefore, without your Abhyana, as you are neither Agnana Bhita, nescience of speculative knowledge, nor Vijnanam would be realized. Prabhu, Prabhu, next page.
Just wait. We are trying to digest this much. Let us go slowly. There are tough words. All Krishna is very old. You know that some people have imagination. What is the imagination? You have seen that holding an atlas, an old man. Correct. That's some people have that conception of God. No, God is Navayavanam. To the oldest person. Okay. What is the shloka? First shloka. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Anadi Adi. He's the origin of everything. The oldest person. Okay. Navayavanam cha. He's always a fresh young person. Okay. But in the Brahma Samhita it is said no. He is the oldest. But at the same time, he's always a fresh youth. Navayavanam. Now, fresh youth. Like 16-year-old boy, just entering youth. Always looking fresh. Before the mustache comes. In Krishna keeps that age. You don't see in Krishna's form mustache anywhere. Okay? Generally. Correct? Have you seen any painting? Just before. But Krishna's forms are all spiritual. Whatever is showed, each one is an independent spiritual form. Okay, no material forms, but he does not show a form more than 16 years because Krishna doesn't have that. Krishna is always a fresh youth. That is his highest form. Okay, now these words, Sanskrit words are coming. Vijnanam, Ajnana Bhit, Aparam Arapamavajam. Okay, Vijnanam is. Gaurav, try to locate this shloka.
Yes, sir. Vijnanam Ajnana
That link which was there, given by me, just click on that and you keep going. 32nd, 34, you'll see 40, 41st somewhere. Okay, Vijnana means transcendental knowledge of Supreme Personality. Vijnana is also experienced knowledge. Okay, so, okay. Vijnana means it's Vishesha Jnana. So, normal academic knowledge is not Vishesha, it's ordinary. What is Vishesha about it? This is spiritual knowledge is actually Vijnana, special. Which Prabhupada is saying, but the knowledge has to come by Guru Parampara. It is not speculative. Okay, Krishna is beyond. A famous line was used. Is the answer to imaginative iconography of the Prabhupada is using poetic lines. Imaginative iconography of the personality of God. Answer to all imaginative iconography. You can quote this in many forums. Bala, I remember, had caught this line. You can. Hey, remember Balaji, Nupur Mataji?
No.
Huh?
No.
Boy, black color boy used to come from Father Muller College.
No, I don't remember him.
Oh, Father, he's a medical college. Okay?
Yeah, Father Muller.
He was one boy. Father Muller, some boys used to come. There was one girl, her name was Kavita. You remember Kavita?
No, I just knew one person from Father Muller's, but she was my friend before in Bombay. But other people I don't remember from Father Muller's.
Okay. Answer to the imaginative iconography. Then now these words have come. Vijnana Agyadvit. Hey, just give the link, Gaurav. We can see the word about meaning there. Okay. How many pages more? Hey, देवता लोग की prayers बंद नहीं कर रहे. चल रहा है. I'm just taking a lighter vein. It's often to say like that. किधर है? I think we will do the shloka and stop. I think it's fine. It's already 11, crossed 11. Huh? See, that was 32nd, yes. Now that is 35. You see, this was 32nd shloka, now 35th shloka. No, we were previously on the 32nd shloka, which I showed you all. Now I'm going to show you this 35th shloka. Oh, it will not be like this. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.
Yara. Satta nached dhatu idam nijam bhavet vijanam agyana bhidapamarjanam guna prakasha anumanta
Niyate
vigyanam
bhavan.
agyana. Prabhupada uses this word, no? Vigyana agyana. Huh? Guna prakasha anumiya bhavam prakashayase eva gunaha. Sattvam Shuddha Sattva, transcendental not Chetiv Dhatu, or reservoir of all energies, cause of idam, this Nijam personal experience. Would have been Vijnana, transcendent knowledge, Agyana Bhida, which drives to the ignorance of material modes. Agyana Bhida, okay? Aparamarjana, completely vanquished, Guna, awakening transcendental. Anumiyate, Bhavan, your Lordship of God. And where are we? What we had? Apamarjanam. Okay, here.
Completely vanquished.
Okay, apamarjanam. Correct. Bhida, agyana bhida, apamarjanam, completely vanquished. Prabhupada is therefore developed on this. Can you all see this?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
So you
Prabhupada.
can see he's just going verse by verse and very patiently explaining all the verse. We were in 32nd verse some 1 hour ago. You remember when you showed that line? Now we have come to 35th verse. Okay. Okay. 2 people are there viewing our discussion. They can come inside. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. I go back now. We stop here. This is the area, I think, enough. Manoj, you want to continue till 12 o'clock? For you, not so problem because you are in England.
How many pages more, sir?
See, page is 57, 58. Okay?
Huh?
You can see, you are able to see the page number at the bottom?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prabhupada.
57. You see 57. So now you understand what a page. Page is basically one paragraph. This is 59, 61, 63, 65, 67,
My God.
69, 71. Even if somebody just reads, it still takes time. So I think we will do it on. See, other chapters are small. This chapter is really big. So many paintings are also will come. Can you see this?
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
Like this, we have to do. So let's see some painting. These are all we have to discuss. Trinavata, then Mother Yashoda, Krishna showing universe in the mouth, then Krishna stealing butter. This book which I am using is the original book. See
Yes,
the
sir. The
paintings
paintings
here?
are different. Yeah.
No, not different. They're just learning to paint. You see, Krishna's body will be disproportionate. It's not done properly. You see, legs are so small. They just started at that time. You see this Tirinavata also. Krishna is not like a child. Is looking. So they started painting. They were learning to paint. You see that? Krishna is a small kid, but they made it big. You know, they're
Yes.
learning to paint at that point. But this is the original, first sincere attempt. Therefore, I just always love this book. I'm taking it from the original book, the first book which came out. Later, the paintings, same painters made wonderful paintings. So, like this, we have how many chapters? This is 13. Like that, we go on. Okay, we need some fast readers also. Anyway, anybody can suggest how we can go a little more faster. Any improvements? Feel free. Whatever we can do. We can, so I can go through it and tell people in advance rather to remember some shloka, which will come very nice shloka. That also is good. I can share in the WhatsApp better. You can all see. Then anything else?
No, sir. Line by line only we'll have to go.
Manoj, is fine the way we are going?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yeah.
ठीक है? ठीक है. Chalo. So we are having 2 days in a week. This was a long chapter only. Okay. Second chapter is a big chapter. Get the book. Nupur Mataji, you want to finish the chapter?
Yes, it's up to you. Whatever is okay with other people.
No, I think it's, and those who are in India is me, Vandana, and the 4 of us are in India.
Yeah, if it's too
For us,
late
it's
for you,
11,
it's okay.
11:15. I don't know for them.
We can.
For me, it's late. No. They will be sleeping at this time. They don't. What happens when the cat doesn't come, the rats run around. So if I don't get up, then it will not be a good example. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. Now Gaur Purnima is coming on Sunday. This coming Sunday, next Sunday. You all can plan something. Because Gaur Purnima day. This is easy. Everybody can just keep reading, and I'll tell Preeti also to be there. In case I become little late because there'll be huge function in Gaur Purnima. Okay? A lot of guests may come. Hey Manoj.
Yes, Prabhuji.
How are you on the Saturday? There is no guarantee, no? Who is sure to be on Saturday? Nupur Mataji, you are there, no? Sure on Saturday?
Yes, I'm on Saturday. I'm here.
Okay. What I'll do, I'll send you my file of all the links of email IDs. But anybody knows how to conduct an hangout? No, no?
I have never done it before.
Okay. I will see it is done and everybody is connected. But I may suppose in case it may happen, not Saturday. Saturday, I will tell you, Saturday is not an issue. The Sunday, next Sunday, we will be meeting again on Saturday is not an issue. So next Saturday, we'll plan out. In case I feel too much crowd comes and I have to attend to them, I may come a little late. So I can start the discussion and I'll go away. You people can continue. Okay? Let it not stop. And Preeti will be there. She will be able to mentor it very nicely. Okay. Okay. You are remembering Preeti?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Nupur Mataji?
Yeah, she didn't come.
Yeah, she today also she's, I don't know, in the viewer, 2 people are viewers. I don't know whether she's there.
Okay.
Okay, so we hope to meet again on Saturday. I hope any suggestions, let me know. Maybe if I also can get time, I read before, I can go to more faster. Generally, I'm reading along with you and also understanding, then I'm commenting. If I can just get 1 hour, read through that, then I can.
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Where is Sridhar Prabhu, sir?
Sridhara is busy, who's handling the temple background, getting pots washed. Sunday night will be heavy always. You know, the devotee has come, a lot of people come now for Sunday evening program. For the kirtan. Chalo, okay. Thanks everybody. Thanks Vandana Mataji.
Thank you,
Hare
sir.
Krishna Mataji. Okay, this Friday I will try to come to your college and try to meet your, so do some session again. Something I have to do either in the course or somewhere, so that we can push some more people.
Okay, Prabhu.
Okay.
Nitya sir, Chiplunkar agreed for that club?
I don't know what happens. These boys I have given, they have to take the letter and go to him. I talked to him with you. They have to follow it up. Okay, then Gaurav is coming anyway. We'll discuss next time.
Sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Preeti is in Bangalore, but she can't come. She can come, or you are also going home now. Okay.
Preeti was going home on 9.
Good. We found after a long time. We found that Nupur Mataji. After how many?
Yeah.
Nirjari also.
I'll text her. I forgot to tell her this about the Sunday thing. I will tell her.
You can also join. And
Yeah.
hey, Manoj, Hare Krishna Manoj.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Manoj has just got a child, and you have to congratulate him, everybody.
Haribol.
Haribol, thank you.
Responsibility. And how old is the child now? 1 month, 2 months?
1 month is over, Prabhuji. It's 6 7 days, yeah.
What is his name?
It's Drishti.
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 Boy or a girl? Girl.
Girl. Yeah.
Girl. Hey, Nirjari got boys or both are girls, Nupur?
No, one is a boy, and now just recently she had a girl.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
I
there is
will
our
definitely
Rekha.
tell her to come.
Yes. And here is our Gaurav. Hare Krishna, Gaurav. We'll meet you soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This Sunday. Yes.
Yes.
Morning I'll be reaching.
Yes, so you can conduct here on Sunday night. No, what's an issue?
Sunday night too we'll be there, no sir, in the hall.
Are you will in the no, we are doing in the temple only. Okay.
No, God Purnima.
Huh.
Acha. Not in TV Raman Pai this time.
No. TV You people are not there first thing. But don't worry, the function is very big. We have taken 2 houses now.
Obviously.
We manage. And the hall also is booked for some marriage. But that doesn't make a difference.
No, we'll stay in the temple only, sir. At least for 2 days we are
Also, you can then take over. This congregation people are still trying to take some hall. They're trying. Okay. But I'm tired. I'll try tomorrow. But we have printed already all invitations for the temple. But still we can try. Anyway, that's a variable. Tomorrow we will see. So you can come and you can in the night you can take care on Sunday night. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, things are done. Okay, Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.